welcome back to the vlog. So it is Friday, you guys. Vlogtober is over, and what do we do with ourselves? Like, I don't know what to do with myself. I have been enjoying taking a little bit of time and recuperating and readjusting to all this vlogging and stuff that I was doing. So today I want to jump on here and just do like a little day in a life vlog. Day in the life vlog. And I've really been liking those lately because I can get stuff done and I can put out content for you guys. So we are going to start cleaning Big James. They don't ever want me to be great, but as y'all can see, your girl got a new do. Your girl hair is done. But anyway, we're about to start cleaning the front room. So I'm almost done cleaning the bathroom. I just hate trying to film in there because the bathroom is so small, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning the bathroom. I ordered me something to eat. I need to clean my room, y'all. It's just a whole lot of going on, and I keep forgetting to record certain things. Like I said, I was gonna be cleaning the living room, y'all. I so forgot to even record me cleaning the front room. But I'm about to see what I'm about to eat, and I'll be back. So I got some Wingstop, some boneless barbecue wings, and yeah, y'all, I'm about to eat. Well, I'm eating now, but I'll be back. Hey girl, hey, happy Saturday. Today is Saturday, you guys. The sun is out here in Virginia. It's cold as crap, but the sun is out. So we're about to head out to my husband's job because he forgot to do something. But y'all, real talk, I just want to watch movies and knit and work on my knitting projects. I'm going to show you guys what I've been working on. And we might go to the mall to get the girls some shoes, but we'll see. If we do, I do want to go and stop in Starbucks, because I want to see what they got going on up in there. And yeah, y'all, I started watching a good movie on Netflix. It's kind of like a black western. I don't remember the name, but I will let you guys know somewhere today on this vlog. Iris Alba is in it and a whole bunch of other people. We're about to head out and do that, and I will just come back, y'all. Whatever we get into, y'all see in the next clip. I think I'm gonna start getting a little bit until my husband get ready, because I just want to relax. I don't want to be Molly the maid today. You know, I just want to chill. I just want to relax. I just want to knit. I just want to chill. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to knit a little bit until he's ready. All right, you guys, we are here. We are at my husband's job. We are waiting in the car, me and the kiddos. It's just LJ and Ray with us this time. Everybody else wants to stay at home. So I packed along my knitting, y'all, because I don't know how long it's gonna take. I don't know what all he had to do, but he forgot something. So he is in the office doing whatever he needed to do. And I don't know what we're gonna do after this. Hopefully it involves getting some lunch, because I really don't feel like cooking anything. So hopefully we grab some lunch, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and knit, you guys. I'm gonna time lapse and knit until my husband comes, because we're just sitting here. I did pack the kids a snack just in case, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do. You guys, hubby is back. We are at this Thai place getting something to eat. Well, hubby is getting something to eat, and Rael is using the bathroom. But yeah, you guys, so that's what we're doing right now. I wanted to tell you guys that on our way up here, we was listening to Jackie Hill Perry on YouTube. We were checking out her sermon. I think it's called Learning and Knowledge or something like that. But if you guys get a chance, go ahead and check out her YouTube channel and listen to that sermon. It's good word. But right now we're just grabbing something to eat, and me and LJ, we're here waiting in the car, waiting for them. I don't really want any Thai food. My husband's getting Thai food. I really don't want that. I really don't know what I want. I might eat the rest of the soup that I made. I made some squash soup, so I might eat the rest of that. But I will see you guys when we are back at the house, or whatever we decide to get into. I really want some Starbucks though. Like, I don't know. I really want some Starbucks. And I brought some coffee. LJ wants to wash his hands. He is dying to wash his hands. I don't know why, but he really wants to wash his hands. But you guys, I'll come back wherever this day takes us. I will come back and let you guys know. Hey y'all, we are back. We have been back for a minute now. I am hiding in the bedroom because your girl needs some alone time. I love being married. I love having kids, but sometimes I need some alone time. And y'all know, when you stay with somebody and you a mama, you don't get no time to yourself. So I'm hiding. Judge me if you want to. I'm hiding in the bedroom. I changed my shirt because earlier I had on that sweater, and it is hot. It's hot, girl. It's cold, but it got hot. I need to go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby because I need to pick up these double pointed needles so I can make my little cousin this outfit. She is having a little boy, and I found the cutest little outfit, and I want to make him that, but I cannot start it until I find or purchase these double pointed knitting needles. So hopefully my husband will take me, because I don't like driving out here. Your girl don't like driving out here. So hopefully I can do that. I'm about to make up the bed though. We left out of here and the bed is a mess. So that's what I'm about to do now. All right, y'all, I'm done making the bed. I'm about to go see if my husband will run me to Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and then when I come back, I guess that I'll make dinner. The kids have been asking me for chili cheese fries, so I'm probably just gonna make that tonight, and some hot dogs or something, like a little kid meal, because they've been asking for that. And yeah, y'all, and I guess after that we'll be done with this vlog because I'm tired and I just want to relax. So I either see y'all making dinner or at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Alright, you guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. I will see you guys in the AM. I am about to Netflix and chill and catch up on some YouTube videos and knits. And I will see you guys in the morning. Bye-bye. Good morning. Happy Sunday. I'm about to go take a COVID test because me and my husband are going to be going somewhere and I need to be tested. And you have to do it yourself. So we'll see how this goes. I'm going to take you guys along with me. We're here in a drive-thru waiting. I'm scared. I'm not scared. It's just I can put eye drops in my eyes, but sticking something in my nose. I don't know about that. Are you gonna do it?
Yeah, I guess so.
It's hot, for her, right?
You good?
Might not have nothing on.
That's what I'm saying. Those results might not have nothing on it because I think he could have went a little bit deeper, but we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it went okay. But yeah, that's what I can do now. Go get an oil change. And I still need to go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Let's see how that goes. I don't think I've been able to stick that up my nose myself. So we'll see. Hopefully it was a good swab and I don't have to do this again. But, so we're here waiting to get an oil change. Don't know how long that's gonna take, but that's what we're doing. I should have brought my knitting with me. So if somebody come out and
Let you know when you can.
pull in.
Hey, Wood, you gotta turn it off for me, boss.
Yes.
We're getting some lunch. Hobby Lobby was closed, so we're gonna try to go to Michael's. Hopefully I can find a what do I need? A sock ruler. I need a sock ruler to measure when I'm making socks for people, because that's what I want to give out to people for Christmas, like my family and friends. I want to knit up some socks, so I need a sock ruler. Hope I can find some in my. I feel like I would have had better luck at Hobby Lobby, but I didn't know it was closed on Sunday. But anyway, I need to do that. I need to find those double pointed needles, and I'm going to see if I can find this yarn for my daughter's sweater. So I made my daughter a sweater like a year ago, and and I cannot find the yarn nowhere after COVID. So hopefully I can find a yarn to finish her sleeve so I can give to her sweater for Christmas, because it is just waiting to be pieced together. So yeah, y'all. Okay guys, we are back. So I didn't find the knitting needles that I wanted. at Michael's. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm just gonna make him a blanket instead. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So instead of getting the knitting needles, I picked up this yarn, and I'm going to make him a cable knitted blanket. And you know, my family is from Chicago, so I'm going to make him a blanket instead and get started on that. All right, you guys, I am back. I have been working on my little cousin's blanket. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I'm just going to flip the camera around so I can show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, so this is the blanket so far. I'm doing some cable panels. Just a little cable knit blanket. And I wanted him to have a nice, warm, chunky blanket. You know, he is going to be living in Chicago, and I feel like he can just grow with this blanket and have something to snuggle and something warm and cozy. So this is what the blanket's looking like so far, y'all. Okay, guys, so that's my blanket. That's what I'm working on, and I'm going to show you guys some things that I've been working on, because I told you that I was going to show you some things that I've been working on. And I am working on my holiday knits, my holiday gifts. So I'm working on some socks, and you can see it has like the little Christmas colors, and I can show you because no one knows, nobody know who's getting what. So, and I'm working on this shawl. I don't know if you guys can see, it has like some little glittery like silver in there. I'm working on that, and of course you guys see my blanket. So those are some things that I'm working on. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys for hanging out with me for these past couple of days, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.